what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video. As you can see, we are doing a whole thrifting haul. I went to a thrift store I have never been to before. Let's just say I got a couple of items and I thought it would be really fun to show you guys what I got. But before we get into that video, make sure to subscribe. Like, actually stop right now. Stop, pause. I said pause the video and subscribe, like it, and most of all share and comment. You want your friends to see this, you want to save this, also save it if you want to. I mean, there is no copyrighted music on it, so you can save it for later. But anyways, let's get into the video. I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. I'm excited. Okay, so the first item that I got is this beautiful gorgeous green number. It's so sad that it doesn't show off that vibrant green on the screen, but I absolutely love this. So this is in a size 34 from Milady's. Apparently this is where it's from. The thing that got me is the color and the shoulder pads. I'm really into shoulder pads recently and I just really love the look. So this is beautiful. It has really nice pocket thingies, and I love, can you please talk about the buttons? These are so retro. These are so pretty. So that really caught my eye. Obviously I had to cop it because first of all it's green and I don't really have much green in my wardrobe, and I really love green. So the second item that I got, oh guys, I think you're gonna just see that I have three of something like this, but it's in black and white. We'll get to this. I love this because first of all it's so sheer, it's so light for summer. You can dress this up in so many different ways. I really love this. I think this is also from, no, it doesn't have a tag. It must be like vintage. Yeah, all right then. But this is really pretty. I love purple. I personally think lilacs suit my skin tone so well, so I went ahead and I got that. It was so pretty, and I have to say, like, everything in this haul was under 50 bucks. Like, there isn't an item that was over 50 rand, and I'm happy. Like, I think I got these two for like 35 if not 40, but definitely I spent less than 300 because, okay, item number 3, babies, is this really cool number. So I love this so much because it's so versatile. You can literally tie this up, you can wear this out, you can just have it in a bra, you can wear it as a dress. I am obsessed. It is kind of see-through, so I wouldn't say don't wear anything under it because you want to, unless you just want to be revealing. That's cool too, but I love this. This is gonna be like my lazy shirt. It's gonna be my going out shirt. I can literally wear this on top of my bikini, go to the beach, and it's easy. So I'm gonna show you the next item that I got. So these are long sleeve items, and baby girl, I love corduroy, whether it's in pants, whether it's in tops or jackets or anything, but I love corduroy. So I got this, I think I have 2 purple numbers, yes. So I got this in purple. So this is basically a long sleeve and it's a button-up shirt. It is, look at how pretty these buttons are. It is really light, so I can wear it in summer, or I can just throw it on top of something in autumn when it's not yet cold, but like you still want to look kind of trendy and still look summery and wintry at the same time. And I love this. Like, I love this. I think my sister wanted this too, and she was like, if she's getting it, I can get it too, and I don't need to pay for it. Okay guys, so this is literally my favorite item, and it's because I don't think I've seen anything like it really. So this, guys, hello, look at this yellow stuff. The moment I saw this, I was like, I'm taking this no matter how big it is on me, because that's the thing with thrift stores. Most of the stuff can be really big. I got this from the guys section. Never skip. That's like literally the first place I go to. Go to the guys section. I mean, I got this too from the guys section, and love. It's a steal. This, you can wear it in so many different ways. You can tuck it in You can layer it if you want to. There's so much you can do. I cannot wait for it to get like really warm for me to wear this, and I'm just super excited. Guys, I realized that I have three long sleeve. Hold on. So I actually forgot about this. So this is a Windbreaker situation jacket. Really light. I love the blue, I love the blue, I love the yellow. This is an extra large. It does not fit as an extra large. That's one thing I have to say that you should look out for when you are thrifting. Like, just don't pay attention to the sizing, because a lot of this vintage stuff isn't really sized properly, or maybe I just don't care about sizing. But like, always check in the male section. I got that from the male section too. Don't be too worried about the sizing, because you will literally lose out on the best items. And I have one more item that I want to show you guys. So this is the very last item. This, I have to say, it wasn't necessary, but I love this because I only had one black leather belt and a brown one. But this is like, is it sewn? I don't know. It's cotton, I think. I don't know, it's just a material belt, and I loved it. I am here for this moment. I love it. Like, this was like, what, 15 rand? Not necessary, but I loved it. I have to say that when I was thrifting, I wasn't looking for anything specific because I don't know the place. It was my first time going there. It was my first time going there, so I wasn't really expecting anything, but I'm super happy with everything I got. I think I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 items. I got 8 items under 300 rand. So thrifting is definitely a thing. It's always been a thing for me. But okay guys, that is it for my thrifting haul. I hope you guys had fun watching this. I definitely had a lot of fun filming this and thrifting. I do it often anyways, so if you guys like this kind of content, let me know so I can do some more, because I am more than willing to jump onto that. And yeah, I think I might do like this clothing section on my channel if you guys want to see that, because I'm having fun with it and I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment which item is your favorite, so I know. I think it's between this jacket and this one, but let me know what you guys like the most. And yeah, hope to see you next time, and love you guys. Don't forget to be kind, especially to yourself. See you in my next video. Boop, 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 boop. Hold on. What does it matter? You know what? I'm over it. Hey guys, what's up? There are 36 seconds. Maybe I should wear these. Too reflective. Too reflective.